Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to add the remove home screen widgets on Galaxy A04s device. So just to add the widget to your device home screen, you should first hold for a while with your finger to the empty space on your home screen. After that, you'll see here widgets icon. After that, we'll see here all the available applications, which widgets we can add. For example, we can see that the calendar applications had 4 different types of the widgets. Just to add the widget, we should just click to it and tap to add. After that, we can see that we just successfully add the widget to our device home screen. If you want to move it on the home screen or between the screens, we should just hold the widget and drag it. To resize it, we should hold for a while the widget, and after that make it bigger or smaller. Just to remove it from the home screen, we should hold it and then tap the remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.